Alrighty, let's try this again. I had the crop all screwed up on the window that I need you to show you the fix for this. So I'm just going to get right into it. I run 3 different rigs here: the 7300 ICOM, an ON 200D, and the Sun SDR2DX. I've been running the 7300 for the past week and a half, doing some antenna testing on an 80-meter quarter wave vertical. And I've been working phone as well as doing a lot of FT8. So the 7300 runs on Omnirig. The SDR2DX runs on TCI as far as interconnecting between different pieces of software. So the 7300 is very traditional, runs Omnirig. I'm sitting on Omnirig 2. So Jtdx was on Omnirig 2. Well, I needed to move that back to communicate to the Sun as I lit that up yesterday evening, and I could not get it to decode. I had TCI all selected everywhere, and I'm going to show you how to fix the fail to decode thing and things to watch for. It's a really easy fix. So let me get over to that window, and as you saw here, the Sun is running, and it's running on Zombie. So when you first open Jtdx up, if the rig isn't on that you were originally connected to on Omnirig, you're going to get a rig control error. If you don't get a rig control error, that means the transceiver you were previously using with that software, it's seeing it and it's connected to it. In that case, you'll have to go to File, up here, which it's not going to allow me to, and then you're going to have to go to Settings. So because my other rig is not on the 7300, and I'm going to light this up on TCI, connect it to the Sun SDR2DX, it gives me a rig control error. So if this pops up, click OK, go to Radio, click that box, go down to TCI Client, go to Audio. This box should now be checked. Use TCI Audio. If it's not, check it. And you'll notice that in these drop downs, you won't see TCI Audio here. Well, that's not a big deal. Just hit refresh, and it should automatically jump to TCI Audio, repopulate, and it'll just set it there, right? So at first glance, you think, oh, cool, we're done. Click OK. Notice that the decodes start coming in. Here's the problem. See the meter right here? The RX meter, see that jumping? That's a problem. So you won't get any decodes, and you may see that error up there, partial loss of data. That's what you're going to see. Now, this could be just a bug on my end or whatever, but don't panic. All you have to do is close the software, the X. Oh. The Sun just closed. So let's get the Sun back up and going. No. And okay, Sun's up. We start the Sun. And open Jtdx. And bada boom, bada bing. There you go. When in doubt, reboot, folks. So I'm going to let it run just for... So there are the decodes. They're coming in. And see how this meter's stable. That's all you have to do. Get your TCI selected in there. Hit the refresh button. Make sure it populates into the audio boxes. Click Apply and OK. And then just close the software and reopen it. And everything will light up and you'll be off and running. All right, man. Hope it helps some people not rip their hair out like I did yesterday afternoon. All you got to do is close it and reopen it. See ya.